Hello guys, it's me Elvin Sydney. Now guys, mag-unboxing na naman tayo guys. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ito guys, oh. Kasi masira na yung ano niya. Kaya yun. Kailangan siyang bago. Kailangan ikalbo ko yan siya guys. Ito ay pang kalbo. Sa taas at sa baba. Charot. Ayan guys. Hair clippers kit. Okay. Kailangan ko siyang i-haircut para na siyang eritang niya. Tingnan natin kung maganda pa. Very good. Because guys, meron siyang protector. Ano sa liig. Para sure talaga maputol ang ano niya guys. Okay, wow. Ayan. Sana all. Ayan guys. Ang first natin na. Ito guys. Ay, wow. Wow. Ito guys. Ito guys. Ano sa liig. Ano natin sa liig guys. Ayan guys. Hindi, wow. Ganun lang guys. Oh. Ganun na natin guys. Oh. Eh. Ayan pala. Mali pala yun guys. Ano ba yun? Kasi ganun sa liig guys. Sa liig ko yan guys ha. Ayan guys. Ganun sa kataas. Ito guys. Ano ito? Nalagyan yung mga kanik-kanik. Ayan. Scissor. Scissor. Ayan guys, ipakita ko sa inyo ulit ano guys, yung para sa liig. Charot. Ayan guys, oh. Diba? Ayan guys. Yung supply nandito na sa loob. Ano to? Panglinis. Ayan, panglinis guys. At saka ito yung mga forma ng gusto mong gamitin. Ayan guys. Dito sa ano private part. Charot. It's only joke guys. So this one guys, pili ka lang kung anong gusto mo na ano. Yes. Mayroon na guys. Okay. Ito, mayroon din. Dalawa para pakiti na. Ano dito guys. Ayan guys. Oh. Dami. Daming ano. Anik-anik. Para makabinta sila. Ay, ito po maliit. Para saan ito maliit? Where's this po? The small ones.
It's for the small cat.
Oh. Only 3. Okay. This together, okay. And this one, we put that one there. Baliktad pala yung guys. Ito pala ako nag-umpisa sa ayan guys. Yan. It's stone guys. There are 2 kinds of okay. So this one guys is chargeable. We need to charge this. So okay, this one here. This one. Okay, this one like this guys. And guys, it's working. is working, okay? And the other one is this one. Okay. I think it's the same cable. Okay. Are you sure it is one here? Ay, di pa na nakita. It's the same, guys. It's turbo is working. So yes, we have two kinds of. I just off like that, okay? And the other one is this one. So I will show you again, guys. Okay, it's working. Both is working, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, we have new one now. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.